Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. My wife decided that she does not like the red color on this box, so today we're going to take it off, clean it up, and get some flat black spray paint on. And we figured we'd do a short little video with it so we can get you all in on it. So I'm going to let her take the box off and then we go and spray it. So why don't you like the red color?
Huh?
Why don't you like the red color?
Kasi I don't like the red color. You see? I want to take it off.
Well, I thought you didn't like the red color. Or is it just because it's not? Is it because it's a cooler?
So all of this is
Done. Okay, well, let's just get the nuts off. Keep the hardware inside so we can. Okay, so that's it, right? Yeah, you don't need to take the screws out. They can stay there. Now, it's just a matter of, I don't know. We don't even need to clean the box, I think.
no, just spray.
Yeah, but we gotta spray it where we gotta spray it outside, maybe.
Garbage can go.
Doesn't smell baho.
Baho, not baho.
Baho. Okay. Alright, so, yeah, give me one of those wood platforms. Listen. Listen. Oh, somebody put that on fire.
Me.
You did?
Yeah, when we do grill.
Ah. Alright. Yeah, that's fine though. Alright. So what I'm going to do first is give it a little dust underneath like this.
You don't need to cover your mouth. Right. So strong.
It's alright.
Smells so strong. Ah.
Okay, so there's the first coat is done. And we have, this is the paint we're using. Sherlock's all-purpose spray, flat black. It's an acrylic lacquer. And here you see the price, 114 pesos. So, you know, I think the cooler costed me, how much? 500, 600, something like that. And it has a lot of room, and we use it many times when we go down and pick up some fish from our relatives down in Bataan. Fill it with ice and put some fish in it and come on back home. It's like a 2-hour, 3-hour ride. And
Depends on the traffic.
yeah, it depends on traffic also. Alright, we got some dogs parking here. I guess we can survive that. Yeah, it's a lacquer, so it has a little sting to it. Okay, so we're ready to take the box and move it to back here again. And, basically, try to fit it in here again where I had it before, and I think I got it right away. Yeah. All right.
We forgot to spray on.
Yeah, but no, I'm not going to spray on the inside. Because you don't want to have that smell in the fish and everything else. So eventually the smell go away. So basically what I did with this was took a cooler and shoot it in there. Basically drilled some holes and put these little brackets underneath around here. So we're gonna just mount it back on here. And problem is, this guy is almost blind.
I can help you.
Yeah, it's all right. I can do it. We hold the camera and we get it done, right?